Pump it, pump it, pump it. You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. Yeah, I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair review and it's from Victoriaswig, and this is how it came. I like this little bag. It's cute and you can use it to store your wig in after you're finished and not wearing it. It's super cute. Okay, here is the unit that I got, and it's 20 inches. The curls are nice. Here's the inside of the cap. There's two adjustable straps that you get with the unit. And with these straps, you can get a glueless install. And inside it has two combs, one here and one in the nape area, and the adjustable straps here at the back, and some mesh at the back. And here we go, the pre-made fake scalp. Yes. This is why I got this wig. And let's check out the hairline. It is plucked, and there's baby hairs, and they're long so you can cut them to what you like, which is nice. And here's the unit on, and look you guys, there's the fake scalp. So no bleaching, no nothing, and the hairline does look nice. It is plucked, like I said.
So vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. I don't know, I'm survive.
Okay, I cut the lace. I use the Got to Be Spritz spray to hold down my unit, but you can use the adjustable bands that the unit come with, and they'll hold down your hair just as fine. And now I'm just gonna cut the baby hairs, and I'm gonna use the Got to Be glue to lay my baby hair. And now we're just gonna use some water and conditioner and activate up our curls a little more. And now I'll be adding some Eco Styler gel.
She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing.
And here we go. I think it looks very nice. I love this unit.
I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing.
The hair is nice, the length is nice, it's 20 inches. The hair is full and yet feels nice and fluffy on my head. And of course our fake scalp. I just added a little concealer in there because the material of the fake scalp is just a little too light. So I added some of my concealer. And anywhere you part the unit, the scalp is there. So there's no work, no bleaching, no nothing. I love it. I absolutely love it. And you get a deep part with the unit, so you can part it anywhere you want. They just did the parting not very long, so you just pluck it and you can extend your part. And look at the curls, they're nice and fluffy. Now I'm fluffing out my hair because I do like the big bulky look, so that's what I'm doing. Alright, here's how I like to wear my curls. Yes, I fluffed it out like I was showing you fluffing it out. I love it when it's big. And as you know, you can have the tame look, which here's a tame look one more time for you. This look is so super nice too. Easy. You know, if you don't like the big puffy look, you can wear your unit this way, and it does look lovely this way too. But as for me, I like it like this. Yes, I do. And it's 150 density, and you see how full it is. OMG. It's nice and full. And it's only 150 density, like I told you. And the wig is 20 inches. 20 inches long. And like I mentioned before, the hair is from Victoriaswig, and it's a deep curly. Yeah, it's a deep curly, and I believe it is Brazilian. You get a deep part, so the part which you can go way back to about back here. Yeah, you just have to pluck it, because they just did a small part, but you just part it and then you pluck it, and it does go way back to here because it's 6 inches. The parting space is 6 inches from the front to the back. And like I was saying, it's the fake scalp. OMG, I love it. It's absolutely nice. Now, like I was telling you, I had to put a little concealer in because the fake scalp was a little too light for me, so I just added my concealer in there, and also at the front added the concealer. But it's nice. And the lace is Swiss lace. The lace that they have here is Swiss lace, so it's nice. Makes it easy with the fake scalp. You don't have to bleach the knots, which I cannot bleach knots. My hat's off to who can, but for me it's a little difficult, so I don't venture there. No, so I like when I have the option that I can order my unit with something that I don't have to do the bleach method. Yeah. So this hair is nice, and I haven't been getting any shedding with the hair so far, and I'm not experiencing any tangling at the moment. The hair is very nice. And I'm gonna leave a link below to Victoria's wigs, so you guys can go down and check out this unit for yourself. I'll leave the exact link to that, and there's also some more links to other units and stuff that they have on their site. Yeah, and there is a coupon code down there for you guys too. Yeah, where you get $15 off of your unit. Yeah, and the length is nice and long, and the curls are nice. Yes, they are. Alright everyone, like I said, I will leave a link below to Victoriaswig. Go over and check them out. Yeah, and you know what? Thank you so much for coming on and hearing about my unit that I got. My deep curly fake scalp. Oh yes, auntie. Fake scalp, yes. 20 inches long, did I mention that? Yeah, it's 20 inches. Yeah. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing.